Bharat's trusted choice for electric mobility, Delta Autocorp Limited, proudly branded as Deltic, headquartered in Delhi with state-of-art manufacturing plants in Delhi and Rupnayapur, West Bengal. Deltic is shaping the future of transportation. The electric vehicle industry in India is witnessing unprecedented growth fueled by the government's commitment to reduce fossil fuel dependence and achieve sustainable mobility. Projected to grow 10x by 2032, this promising future inspired the inception of Deltic in 2016 by visionary founder and CEO Ankit Agarwal alongside co-founder Priyanka Agarwal. Ankit set out with a mission to address Bharat's real challenges, offering stylish, robust and affordable vehicles to underserved communities. Beginning with three-wheelers in 2016, Deltic expanded to two-wheelers in 2009. Today, with over 300 dealerships across 25 states and union territories, Deltic has become synonymous with trust and innovation. Our first plant, sprawling across 1 lakh square feet in Rupnayapur, West Bengal, houses cutting-edge assembly line and stringent quality controls. Every vehicle undergoes a rigorous 75-point inspection and testing on our tracks to ensure excellence. Our second plant, established in 2023 in Bagpat, NCR, caters to the growing demand in northern market.
Our success has been nothing short of remarkable, but that's not just about numbers. It's about the people behind Deltic. It's the brilliance of our research teams, the dedication of our engineers, and the passion of every team member who works tirelessly to bring our vision to life. Together, we are reshaping India's mobility landscape.
Deltic's core team, drawn from premier institutions like IITs and IIMs, embodies culture of innovation and precision. With 25% of our workforce being engineers, we have mastered the design and quality of key components, including BLDC motors, wireless controllers, batteries, chargers, and battery management systems. Our unique dealer model transforms entrepreneurs into proud brand ambassadors, ensuring robust customer service and sustainable ROI. Through our customer experience initiative, we have cultivated a loyal community of satisfied customers, driving word-of-mouth success. This IPO is a celebration of our team's dedication, the trust of our dealers, and the unwavering support of our partners. Together, we are not just building vehicles, we are building a cleaner, brighter, and a more electrifying future for Bharat and beyond.